Hello, everyone. My name is John Carlos Silva Ruiz. I am 25 years old. I was born in Oiba City. I am studying IT Mathematics program at UNAT. I am school principal and I work IT school Arenas Monas of San Pedro Brava City. I like traveling, watching movies and wars going. In this photograph, you can see the park and its located in a centralized place of the municipality which has a large greater influx of the inhabitants since far from having ice cream parlors, restaurant. It is a nice place. The trees and animals that are in it in front of it is a cathedral church. I invite you to visit the park so that you can enjoy the typical dishes of San Pedro Brava City that are sold in the kiosks. Enjoy an ice cream in family or in the company of someone. Sit down and admire the place. I rate to say goodbye again. I streets had a great it wait before you do had live its beautiful experience as tourists of the municipality. Goodbye.